know. Yeah, you look so good when you let it show. Honey,